Hi, I'm Jeremy from Lingo Yes, and this is Trendy Chinese. In this lesson, we're gonna learn you know nothing. 懂个毛啊，懂个球啊。Alright, so recently, it has been here for like at least 5 or 6 years. Chinese people tend to use 你懂个球啊，你懂个毛啊 to describe you have no idea what is going on, or you have no clue what is going on, or you don't know anything, or you know nothing. So they say 你懂个球啊，你懂个毛啊。你懂个 is like you know, 球 is like a ball, 毛 is like hair, and sometimes they use a way abstract object like hammer, hammer. So 你懂个锤子啊，你懂个毛线啊 like a hair ball, 你懂个球啊 like football or basketball. The reason they say that I have no clue, they say it's from the local dialect, and then people just thought it's so funny, it's so intriguing, it's so, I don't know, it's like internet meme, it's so contagious, so it becomes so popular. And next time, if you want to say to somebody you know nothing, you have no clue what is going on, you can say to them 你懂个球啊，你懂个毛啊，你懂个锤子啊。Or sometimes you even can use 你懂你 yeah, alright, yeah. So this is like pretty trendy way to describe you have no idea. And I still think this phrase gonna be popular, gonna be very trendy on the internet at least for the next 3 to 5 years. So it's very, very useful to use 你懂个球啊，你懂个毛啊。Alright, so this is Lingo Yes, I'm your host Jeremy. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.